Increditales.
Look at those cookies, Robin. Are you hungry? Are you going to eat one? No, Robin. Don't eat all of them at once. Why did you do that? Now you'll get hiccups. Come on, Robin. Don't make a fuss out of it. See, Robin, it's only hiccups. Such a drama, Prince. Drinking some water will surely help you. Oops! Oh no! Now Snow White has hiccups too. Beast, you have to help Robin and Snow White. They have hiccups. What is Beast up to? A scare? Good idea. Aww, you look so cute, Beast. Oh no, another hiccup victim. Your friends are having a contagious hiccup, Alice. They need your help. A spider! Wait, that's not a real spider. That's a toy. It's real! It's real! You're so naughty, Alice. Hey, it worked. No more hiccups. Yay! The spider cured you! Not again! Good morning, Red Riding Hood. Wait! Your order has finally arrived, Alice. See ya, Red! Quick, Alice, get it out! Oh! It's prank time! Hurry, Alice! Someone is coming! Yummy! What a tasty, healthy apple, Snow White! But sometimes, there's nothing like a good cookie. She's going to fall for it! No, be strong! It's just a teeny tiny cookie! What a scare Snow White got! Quick! Someone else is coming! It's Prince! Yum! Cookies! A picture for all my followers first. Poor Prince! He almost ate that spider. Looks like someone else is coming. I think it's Cinderella. A snack to recharge. She does run fast now. Oh, a real spider. Someone's in love. Uh-oh. This is not your spider, Alice. Love is in the air on Valentine's Day. Don't be sad, Prince. True love will find you in the end. Look, there's Snow White. But she seems odd. Ooh, Prince fell in love. Mirror, mirror, who is the most handsome prince of this kingdom? May he have the pleasure of this dance? What? Snow White is acting so weird today. Don't give up, Prince. Why don't you try with some Valentine's Day presents? Oh, those are gorgeous! She didn't seem to like them as much. You're so romantic. No, come on, Snow White. The card is not a dustpan. Don't lose hope, Prince. Why don't you try one last time? Great idea! A love arrow will definitely make her fall in love. Oh no! What was that? That's right. When she smells the apple, she will surely wake up. What? Snow White? Of course! The Snow White you were trying to seduce wasn't Snow White. It was just a robot. Aw, that's so romantic. Just like Romeo and Juliet. Happy Valentine's Day! Nothing good on TV, girls? Wow! A horror movie! It looks so spooky! Hey, Snow White, where are you going? That's right, a movie is always better with popcorn. Hurry up, or you're going to miss the entire film. Come on, it's taking so long. Popcorn is ready! Now the show can go on! Where did all the popcorn go? No way! Did you eat all the popcorn already? That's a lot of popcorn, Little Mermaid. Quick! You're going to miss the film. Popcorn has arrived. It's your turn, Aurora. That's a crazy amount of popcorn, Aurora. You have to be really careful. Aurora, wake up. Uh-oh! I guess it wasn't a good idea to leave Aurora in charge. Hello, Rapunzel. Wow! Your hair looks so nice. So pretty. Oh! What was that? You're right. It's probably nothing. Rapunzel. Huh? I think this was a flea. Yuck. Woof. Very smart, Rapunzel. Now you look super nice again. Problem solved. Uh-oh. It definitely looks like you've got fleas. Have you been skipping bath time? You have to get rid of them. It looks like they're gone. It is getting worse. But where are they coming from? Well done, Rapunzel. With water and soap, the fleas will pop. And the good news is that you can now comb your hair again. It seems that was the last one. Huh? Your brush? It was right here a few seconds ago. Where is it now? This is strange. Footprints! Maybe someone took your brush. Let's follow the footprints. The track is leading us to Beast's bedroom. What's the matter, Rapunzel? Yuck! Beast has been using your beloved hairbrush and filling it Will, please! Let's put an end to this. Yeah, Rapunzel, scrub hard. Get beast totally clean. Such a fancy restaurant, isn't it, Aurora? But where is the waiter? Here's Robin Hood at last. You can't decide, right? Fish for Aurora. Wait, Robin! Aurora has changed her mind. No, wait. Actually, she prefers this other one. Chef, Aurora has ordered a soup of the house. Wake up, Sleeping Beauty. That looks yummy. You're so fancy, Aurora. Oh no! You burnt your tongue? Waiter, it seems that Aurora has burnt her tongue. Can you solve it, Snow Queen? Nice trick! Here comes the nut-burning soup. Uh-oh, it's still too hot. Snow Queen, you have to cool it more. Great, Snow Queen. Surely she will like it now. Maybe that's a little too cold. Isn't it, Aurora? She likes it. Soup, ice cream. Lunchtime, Coral. Are you hungry? Let's see if the waiter arrives to show you your table. Oh, hey, little guy. How cute. What will its name be? Oh, he's called Gloop Gloop. Here's Robin, the waiter. See you later, Gloop Gloop. Let's see what today's special is. Oh no! Today's special is Gloop Gloop. The coast is clear, Coral. Let's go rescue Gloop Gloop. Come on, hurry! It's too heavy. Quick! Robin's back! Look, the cart is unattended. The truth is that it would be a shame to throw away these delicious cupcakes. Now, let's get out of here. Great idea, Coral. This cart is perfect for transport. Oh no, Robin is blocking the way. Good reflexes. Quick, he's on our heels. I think we lost him. Be careful, Coral. Oh no, Gloop Gloop. Queen Aria is preparing her fruit ice creams. Aria, wait! Oops, too late. Hold on, Gloop Gloop. Almost there. Here is Robin with today's special. A tasty Gloop Gloop dish, but without Gloop Gloop. The competition to determine who is the best camper in the world is about to begin. Our contenders today are Red Riding Hood and Cinderella. And as our judge, we have the fair and kind Snow White. The first challenge is building the best tent as fast as you can. Are you ready, girls? Our contenders are working so hard. It looks like we've got a winner. And the winner is red. Our next challenge is making the best campfire's marshmallows. Ready, steady, go! Okay, this isn't the most exciting challenge in the world. I admit it. What? There's something behind red? Oh no! You burnt your marshmallow! Cinderella wins the second challenge! And the third and final challenge will be picking up berries! Okay, apples then. Whoever picks up the most wins the tournament. Ready, steady, go! Is that a wolf? Was that you who was howling? That's mean. Oh. Poor Red. The best camper in the whole world! What a fun party you had, Bella and Aurora! Hi, Snow White! This room is a mess! What about you, girls? Aren't you going to clean the house just like Snow White? A robot? You're going to use it to clean? That seems like cheating. All clean and neat. Uh-oh. Make it stop! Quick, it's going to explode! Wow, Snow White, it's so shiny! What's wrong with the robots? Good idea. It just needed some greasing. Somebody stop it! Oh no! It's even messier than before. Hello, Snow White. Are you done with your chores? Great! Now you can finally relax. Where are Aurora and Belle? If you want a job well done, you have to do it yourself. Welcome to the Increditales contest. Today, it looks like the cooks competing are Snow White and Cinderella. And here's our judge, Snow Queen. Let's see what today's challenge. Cupcakes. Contestants, on your mark, get set, go! Wow, great technique, Snow White. Good effort, Cinderella. Perfectly done. Well, let's see how it goes. Time keeps going. Yummy! Those cupcakes smell so good. I think the heat of the oven was too high, Cinderella. Hurry up, girls. There isn't much time left. Wow! Those cupcakes are so perfect. The time is almost up. Oh, Cinderella, you're gonna use a secret ingredient. I don't think that's fair. So nervous. A few seconds left. Time's up. Oops. When the clock strikes 12, the magic is over. And the winner is... Snowhite! But how to share them if you are 3 and there are only 2 cupcakes? That should do it!